Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan in black sand pearl. And under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include a sunroof, a backup camera, and heated mirrors for the convenience that you crave. Now let's head inside and see what else this Corolla has to offer. So helping us into our Corolla LE, we have our key fob, we have the lock and unlock buttons, plus we have the trunk latch, and then we have our panic button as well. So pressing the unlock button once will unlock your driver's side door, and twice will unlock all 4. You can see we do have our heated mirror right there, so that's a great option to have in the winter months. No more scraping and scratching of mirrors. So look at our window, our door here. We have some nice detailing, some nice black pearl along here, plus some metallic finish. And then we have our window buttons. We have the lock and unlock, and then we have our window locks as well with some space underneath. Looking at our driver's side seat, we have some nice stitching here, plus we have our 2 levers that will allow us to adjust our seat. And then just below that, we have the trunk latch, and then we also have the gas cap button as well. So just as we're getting in on the left-hand side of the driver's seat, we have the mirror adjuster, plus we have the heated steering wheel, and then rain sensing windshield wipers as well. So having sat down, we'll pop the key inside the ignition. It's always the longest part. It's me struggling with the key. And there we go, no struggles there. Nice and ready to start. So we'll look at our instrument panel. 52,730 kilometers on the vehicle. Not a whole lot. It's a nice and easy to read instrument panel, nice low blue lighting. And then just on the right hand side we have our display button. This will allow us to cycle through our multi-information display. So we'll cycle through that and we'll get back to our average. And then on the right hand side as well we have the voice recognition, plus we have hands-free calling, and then lane departure assist and dynamic radar cruise control with the actual cruise control button behind our right hand. And on the left hand side of the steering wheel we have the volume buttons, channel selectors, and then we have our mode selector as well. Looking at our entertainment system, a couple things here. So we're already on our car mode, so we'll look at our efficiency and consumption rates so we can check out how much we've been using and what we're at. Looking at our past record for all of our trips, so we can update that. We can go to current. The next one will be our current trip. Looking at our audio system, we have the AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary functions as well. Nice and easy. And then pressing AM, we have all of our different presets here. Nice and easy on that one. So just below that, we have the. There we go. We have our heating system and cooling system, nice and easy to use via paddle shifter. Then we have the air conditioning, and then rear and front defrost for winter time. 12-volt DC outlet. We have the heated seats, low and high mode on passenger and driver, and then we also have the USB and auxiliary plugins. And then we have our gear shift that has a nice leather wrap around it, plus we have sport mode. And then we have the traction control mode. We can turn that off for a little bit more control over our vehicle. And then we have our two cup holders, and then opening this up we have the center console, lots of room inside there. And then the second we have our smaller version, a little more useful for quick and easy to reach lighters, maybe matches, anything we might need. And then our cubby hole, glove compartment, we have all of our literature inside for our Corolla. So lots of space inside there for anything we might need to put away. Then one more highlight, we do have the sunroof, and that's all controlled by these buttons right there. So nice and easy to use. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. All right, so we're just gonna check out the cargo space in our Toyota Corolla LE. So there we have our backup camera giving us an extra set of eyes and letting us know where we can be, backing up and making sure we're safe. In order to open the trunk, I've just pressed the trunk latch button on our fob, or we can pull the lever that is underneath our driver's side seat. So here is our cargo space, lots of room inside here. There's an immense amount of space. Underneath we have our spare tire, plus we have our jack, and then all the tools that we'll need to change that. And then we do have the 60/40 rear splitting seats in case we need to pop some skis or maybe a ladder, something along those lines. So lots of space, lots of room. Definitely got lots of options for you back here. We'll just close that and take a last look at the LE. So let's take a last look at our 2017 Toyota Corolla LE. Some other features include a 6.1-inch touchscreen entertainment system with Bluetooth connectivity and Toyota Safety Sense for the features that you expect. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so come on in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.